Hey, LinkedIn professionals. So, I wondered what your profile actually says about you. Well, get ready to find out these things because today I'm gonna put my LinkedIn to the ultimate test with roastlinkedin.com. So this is an AI powered tool, and this doesn't just review your profile. Actually, it absolutely roast it. Incredible. And you know what? It also gives you some amazing and professional tips, pro tips to level up your LinkedIn game. So even if you are brave enough to handle the heat and want to make your profile stand out, keep watching. All right, let's break it down. This is a tool actually that scans your profile. It will scan your profile and will deliver a mix of hilarious insults and genuinely useful advice, honestly speaking. So, whether your profile screams like I'm professional or I made this 10 years ago and forgot about it, because this tool will tell you exactly what you said. So, let's move and let's test it out. So, I will do like I will copy my profile link from here and enter your LinkedIn URL here, and from here you can select the language in which you want result, and like brutal roast or helpful roast. So both you can select, like helpful roast, and you can, if you want, you can share your profile to the public, or if you don't want, then you can uncheck this option. So roast me, and it is actually now your link. See your LinkedIn roast. Here they are, Omar, but first off, let me just say director at But IT Solutions sounds like a blast. However, I can't help but smile thinking about how your headline might just be the most eye-catching in the LinkedIn universe. So it's saying about your headline, it should be most eye-catching. Consider adding a dash of flair. See, so it's asking you to consider add a dash of flair, maybe something like crafting digital marvels at Bud IT Solutions. It is catchy, and it might leave potential connections wondering what kind of magic you can do. Now let us dive into your job titles. For example, director is a fantastic title. So, but do consider sprinkling in a few more descriptions that fully encapsulate your various skills. Given your expertise in SEO and digital content creation, how about digital marketing director? So, see, instead of director, digital marketing director or creative director. So it gave me two options. These titles might not only sound impressive, yet yes, 100% it looks sound impressive, but will also better communicate your multifaceted genius. See, and on the skills front, I see you have got a fantastic list. So just to make you feel even more like a tech wizard, consider adding some soft skills like such as team leadership. Yes, I should add. Project management. Yes, I should add. Or even coffee brewing. So some of them, like I got it and I should add. About my degree, it is saying getting that bachelor's degree in information technology from the University of Punjab is impressive, but how about judging it up with some additional certifications? Like it's asking me to consider enroll in some courses relevant to your expertise, and then I should add those courses, additional courses, certificates here. So it's amazing. You can see a lot of better information and consideration I have seen, and it's looking amazing. And if I click like brutal roast, now roast me, click on this. Wow, even your name sounds like a typo for a bad joke. Director of Bird IT Solutions. I can see why you are the head honcho. Nobody else wanted the title. Who needs a proper job title when you can just use the one that makes everyone giggle like middle schoolers you list all these skills, SEO, and but here is a tip: if you have to throw in creative writing to sound impressive. So see, in both results, in brutal roast and in helpful roast also. I personally like most helpful roast, and the result of helpful roast are amazingly impressive, and we can do a lot of things after getting this information. We can do a lot of things. We can actually modify our profile, a lot of things like title, job descriptions, job titles, skills, and a lot of other things, as you can also see in my profile. Like, see, director at But IT Solutions. So it asked me to add like creative director or digital marketing director. See, so director at But IT Solutions, if I changed it to digital marketing director, so this is a huge difference in between director, only director, and digital marketing director or creative director. It also gave me some more recommendations, like if I add, this is University of the Punjab graduation degree, but because I have skills in digital marketing, including web development, graphic designing, video editing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and then Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So it asking me to add some additional certificates here, licenses and certificates. Even I have here like postgraduate diploma in information technology, but I have to add it in details. Like I need to write here in proper words, like all words I will have to write here: postgraduate diploma in information technology, and some other certificates I should enroll some in some online courses. As you know, like Udemy also give certificates once you complete the course. So there are different types of platform that we should join related to our skills. So we need to promote, because this is the modern period of AI. So AI giving you now a bunch of tools related to your expertise, skills, and features, so you can use them. Like as I am a graphic designer, so I should also use some AI tools, and I should learn them, and I should attach here some certificates related to these courses. Then I have like 56 skills, but this tool also explained and recommended me to add some more skills. So this is amazing tool. I personally like it too much, because LinkedIn profile is very best profile to get a job, and your profile looks amazing once you have professional content things in it. So I will definitely recommend you to use this tool, and please share the video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell icon, so you will get the notifications of my upcoming video. Thank you so much once again.